If you want your focus, your clarity, your energy back, then make sure to watch this video till the end. They say if you cannot control your own mind and your mind controls you instead, then your life is ruined. And one of the two is definitely happening. Either the control is in your hands or in your mind's hands. Friends, you must tell your brain what to do. Remember, if you think that whatever thought comes into your mind, whatever your heart feels, you just do it. And that is freedom. That is life then, at least for us. That is not true. The very first step to freedom is not doing what your brain tells you to do. If you want your productivity to double, if you want your focus to become sharp like a laser, if you want to join the list of the top 1% successful people in the world, if you truly want this from your heart, then today I will tell you 4 powerful mind hacks that will start running your brain under a completely new system and new programming. Often it happens that some task is important for you, but your brain resists it. Your brain says this task is too hard, too much effort, too difficult. I'll do it later. Let me watch a match. Let me make a call. Let me watch a YouTube video, get some motivation, then I'll do it. You pick up your phone and everything goes off track. Friends, this is a low dopamine state. In this state, even when we want to start a task, we cannot. We keep delaying because our brain simply doesn't allow us to begin. So to take back control from the brain, we must trick it a little. We tell it, yes, the task is difficult, but I will do it for just a little while, only 10 minutes or only 5 minutes. As soon as your brain hears just 5 minutes, it says, okay, fine, that's easy, that's manageable, let's do just 5 minutes. This way, the brain falls into your trap, and the moment you start the task, even for a little while, your brain feels success, so it releases dopamine. That dopamine gives your brain motivation and pushes you to continue. This is how people keep working for long periods of time. This is a brilliant hack. Start with just 5 minutes. When you begin, your brain feels success, dopamine is released, and that dopamine motivates you to continue further. This is a mind hack known as the 5-minute rule. Mind hack number 2, control your mind with time blocks. Sometimes you wonder, how does someone get so much done in a single day? Is he human or a machine? Friends, this is not magic, it's a mind hack. If you want your brain to do more work, if you want to get more done in less time, then use a scientific mind hack called time blocking. If you learn to use this correctly, it will take your productivity to the sky. You will become more productive than 98% of people. Neuroscience says that when you divide your day into blocks, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, and you do only one task inside each block, and you time-bound it, telling your brain you must finish this within this time, then your brain becomes extremely focused and sharp. Your brain works its best when it has a clear purpose and a clear time frame. Another advantage is that when you successfully complete a time block, your brain releases dopamine, saying you can do it. Yes, you can do even more. This feeling is what pushes you ahead of 98% of people. So at the beginning of your day, make your to-do list, then divide your tasks into time blocks, set deadlines, and then watch the magic. Your whole system transforms. Mind hack number 3, the reprogramming formula. Imagine you're doing some work, studying, gym, or office work, and suddenly someone tells you that thousands of people are watching you live. Just imagine it for one moment. Thousands of eyes on you, dozens of minds analyzing you, a huge audience focused only on your actions. Think how you would feel and how you would perform. Friends, this is a mind hack. It creates an internal pressure, but this pressure doesn't weaken you, it boosts your performance. There is a psychological principle, social evaluation pressure boosts performance. When a person feels people are watching, the brain instantly shifts into hyper-focus mode. You work faster, with more energy, with more accuracy. Why? Because your brain thinks this is not work, this is a performance. And in that moment, you go far beyond the average person. Your brain cannot distinguish between reality and imagination. Just like thinking about a sad event can make you upset even if it hasn't happened. Simply imagining an audience watching you activates the same intensity and alertness as if you were actually on stage. This hack can massively increase your productivity. Next time, before starting a difficult task, close your eyes for 2 seconds and imagine thousands of people watching you live. They're observing your skill, your struggle, your dedication, and you want to impress them. Then see how your performance changes. Your speed will multiply, your energy will double, your focus will become razor sharp. This is the power of your mind, and this power already exists inside you. You just have to activate it. Mind hacks number 4. Information diet. Whatever you feed your mind, you become, and you get results accordingly. Imagine standing in a huge buffet, food everywhere, different dishes, and the makers of each dish are loudly calling you, "Eat this, drink this, look at this." Everyone is trying to pull you, trying to push food into your mouth. Friends, this is exactly how information works. When we keep watching unnecessary, meaningless, useless content, our mind fills with garbage. Just like overeating ruins the stomach, overinformation ruins the brain. Remember, whatever you put into your mind, that's what your brain becomes. Don't put garbage into your mind. Don't fill it with useless things. Otherwise, your brain will become full of trash. Your productivity will drop and your focus will be destroyed. And in life, every day, learn something new.